Activity Insights shows you updates made in your drawing by all collaborators. Let's see this in action. When a file is saved on a supported cloud storage provider, a new file version appears as a version activity on the Activity Insights palette. Click Compare within the version activity to view the differences between the current and previous version. The new Activity Properties panel provides further information about these changes. Click Exit Compare to end the comparison and close the DWG Compare toolbar. Additionally, you can view drawing history without opening the file. From the Start tab, click the vertical ellipsis and choose View Drawing History.